Your bathroom counter is hiding a problem. This is what lies beneath most bathroom countertops in India. Plywood, hidden under a layer of Corian or granite, absorbing moisture every single day. Swelling, rotting, breeding termites, releasing foul odors you can never quite explain. And the ceramic basin you trusted? Constantly pulling away from the top, demanding sealant, maintenance, and eventually replacement. The construction industry has accepted this for decades. We decided it was time to question it. Introducing the Goldstone approach to bathroom counters. No plywood, no steel subframe, no ceramic basin. Just one solid, seamless, monolithic Corian surface. From counter to basin, engineered as a single unit. Because Corian and the basin are one continuous material, there are no gaps, no joints, no place for moisture to hide, no sealant that cracks, no plywood that swells, just a surface that performs day after day for life. When you account for the total cost, plywood, steel structure, ceramic basin installation, ongoing maintenance, replacements, and repairs, a Corian monolithic solution doesn't just win on quality, it wins on economics. At Goldstone Enterprises, our motto is simple. Plywood has no place inside a bathroom, not because we say so, but because the evidence is clear. Bulging surfaces, termite damage, cockroach infestations, the smell of wet wood in a space meant to feel clean. These are not inevitable. They are a design choice, and we are here to change that choice. Whether it's a commercial washroom, a hotel lobby, a school bathroom, or your home, you deserve a surface that was built to last, not one that was built to be replaced. Goldstone Enterprises. Solid surface solutions built for life.